bathroom, and everyone is complaining that it's too dark. Everyone's complaining that it's too dark. I love it. I really like that it's completely black. I just have the toilet as a contrast. I'll show you guys like the ideas that I had in completing it, but they want me to lighten it up. Okay, so here is the before of the bathroom. Oh, that extracts a fan. It gives me nightmares. But anyway, here is the before. Yeah, they're saying it's too dark. They're saying it's way too dark. And little do they know that I actually want to personally remove this grout and put in black grout. Okay, so I do have a few ideas, and this needs to be implemented tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna leave sites pretty soon so I can just go home and conjure up new things. I'm here at the shops and I'm trying to see the colors that we have. So we have Dulux, but some of the colors that I mixed are actually originally Durham colors. So I just want to see what's gonna like look good. It's gonna look good. Should I do a surprise or should I? Okay, let me pick out my colors first. Okay, so this is the color that's very similar to what we have in the house. This one over here is an existing color we have, so I want to play around with these. So another option that I thought of doing was adding wallpaper in the bathroom. I felt like maybe that could be a really exciting option, especially because the space is so small and I still want to keep that cozy feel. But I wasn't really finding things that I liked in there. They have many options, but I just felt like they didn't have what I specifically wanted. The Fire and Earth range from Builders is a great range. I really liked this one, but I wasn't sure if I felt like it might be too busy for the space. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. Also, I've never wallpapered before, so I felt like maybe getting something that's super detailed might not be a great time as a first timer. But then I also liked this one. This one was striped, and I decided to take this one and test it out in the space to see if we can truly commit to it. Okay, so I also want to see what options they might have for some wall paneling. 159 for what? Jeez, that's expensive. Okay, so I have decided against the wallpaper. I'm just not sure about it. So I'd rather paint, because I can always repaint, but putting in wallpaper is a bit more effort and you kind of want to get that right. So here's all the paint that we have. Okay, so these are the colors that I have to play with. That's just an empty. So this is the color for the house. That's the color that we used in the guest. Oh, we still have a bit of the... We also still have this color, which is the current color in the bathroom. There's still a lot of this, or maybe half. So I'm thinking of doing two-tone in the bathroom. We'll make the bottom 2/3 lighter and then 1/3 in the ceiling. We'll make that darker. So I'm just gonna try and mix and get a lighter brown that I like. Okay, so the color is going a little bit gray. But let me test it on the wall. So this was the first test before I mixed it. The second mix, and now I'm gonna do the third mix. No difference. No difference. I actually prefer this color. Back at Builders, I'm gonna try out one of these colors here because the color I'm trying to get is not happening. See, I wanted something more like this. Basing pegal. Okay. I'm gonna try to mix this color into here. I'm hoping it will turn out light because I really don't like this color like at all. Especially now that it's settled, it's giving gray, not a nice gray. So I'm gonna try it over that. Okay, so I decided to add more whites, like completely lighten this color up. Okay, so the mixing I had to do, hopefully you guys can see it. So if you look at the third color, that one was actually my favorite. Like, let me do it this way. Yeah, the third color is actually my favorite. I should have stopped there. And then I added literally a little bit of the red, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't like that, so then I added a bit of black, bit of white to try and get this bottom color. I wish I just stopped while I was at it because that off green is really nice. Tried a few samples. I can't say I like any one of them. This one's a little bit off because the paintbrush had a bit of white in it. These I didn't like at all. This is the closest what I like. After I ruined the color that I actually liked, but it's whatevs. The afternoon lights in this bedroom and the other bedroom is really, really pretty. Let's take an ad break and see how the other showers are looking. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see the full thing. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's updates in the other bathrooms. They added shutters in here. I don't know, I feel like it makes the bathroom feel smaller. But anyway, they added the bathtub. Oh, the beauty that she is. Okay, here is the... oh, the thing is silver. I did not know the handle was silver. But anyway, here is the basin cabinets that we picked out. Comes with a matching mirror for the outside house. Here's the actual basin for it. So this is the color we have in the other... yeah, this is the color we have in the other bathrooms. Maybe once we actually have the lights, it will look a bit better. I forgot that I need to buy bathroom lights in here. It will look a lot better, like you'll see the contrast more. But right now, I don't know. Anyway, basin loading in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you know that saying of stop while you at it or stop while you're ahead? Or anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Basically, I should have stopped because the color I had in hindsight was actually a very pretty color. I don't know why I thought it was too warm, but anyway, I added blue to it to try and cool it a bit. And the color I got from that, I absolutely hated it. Like, I was not a fan, not a fan at all. But at that point, they just really wanted to move on, and I get it. So here they are painting it. Will I keep the color? I don't know. You'll see in the next episode.